Hello there, I just wanted to introduce this series of videos. Plane tuning workshop is something I've thought about for a while, and it's a way of me showing how I sort planes out, sort problems out. Sometimes I might not sort the problem out. It's a collection of videos that I want to put together that teaches, reminds us about where planes are, what's being done to them. This is an archive as well. So we can take plane parts and build a plane from bits and pieces and create a plane. We might get a plane that's in beautiful original condition. It just might need a clean. We might get something that's really had a tough time with some broken parts. And do we put new parts on there? Do we make parts? Do we produce a custom plane? There's lots of questions. There's lots of different sorts of planes. So this series is about how I do some of the work and how I tune and problem solving. Some of it's problem solving and some of it is just labour. It's just laborious, and that in itself is a lesson, a life lesson. With planes you get out what you put in. So if you put a lot of effort into a plane and fixing a plane, making it beautiful, make it work beautiful, you will end up that plane working wonderfully. So I'm just going to show you a couple of planes that I'm going to work on. These will be videos infrequent. I'm not promising one a week or anything. Infrequent as things happen. Sometimes it will be solving other people's plane problems. Sometimes it will be sorting one of my plane problems out. Let's have a look at a few planes. Let's start with, we've got a number 3 and an old number 4, Stanley number 4. And then we've got a couple of these, Sedgeleys, they're great. A William Marples, that's been restored by a student. We've got a 113 there, Stanley, early one with the side. That's mine, that's a custom plane, so that's me. So that's good. Veritas, Stanley number 4, English. A couple of Prestons, Bailey. Stanley Bailey, another Preston, more Baileys, records, Stanley, record number 8. I bought that brand new. Look, it's hardly been used. Poor old thing. What have we got here? Number 10.5. Carriage maker's plane. Norris, Spears, question mark by that one. Big old Bailey. We've got some other ones here. There's a Preston. There's a little squirrel tail. That's a nice one. That's that one's got issues. It's been welded. This is my earliest rebate plane. It's got a great knob on it, which I made a long time ago. So that's cool. 712. You probably have or you haven't seen a 712 skew blade. Interesting plane. Very interesting plane. Love that. Little secret. Norris, Slater, Preston. Little Stanley number 3. A couple of Stanley number 2s. A couple of Calvert Stevens. Another Calvert Stevens. Another couple of planes. And more. Preston. Woden, Marples, Spear and Jackson, Salmons, a few others, another Preston, more planes, some chisels, a couple of nice ones down there, and then there's a few new ones about here and there. They are wonderful, brilliant inventions. These videos will be interesting. And now I'm sitting here and I can see another one. Do you want to see this one? Another couple actually. Preston, number 14. Preston, 19. Preston, number 19. Yeah, a little rare beastie. A few other Preston bits. And just by the side of me, sitting on that bit of carpet, a T5. So lots of planes, lots of bits. Please save this playlist. If you save this playlist, I think you might get notified when I put a video out. I'm still working on that. This is sort of new to me. Anyhow, hope you enjoy it. Fire a load of questions at me about what you see, please, and we'll see if we can move this along and grow a community. Sorting planes out, this isn't a forum sort of thing, but it's a good Q&A thing. Oh, planes? There's more planes. Crikey, you can't escape from them. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers. About what you see, please, and planes? There's more planes. Crikey, you can't escape from them. Hi. So I just want to introduce... Do I start with so every time? Hello, I'm Jamie, the Worcestershire cabinet maker. Should I say that? Hi. Hello, I'm Jamie, the Worcestershire cabinet maker, and I'm doing a very good job of these intros. Start again. Hello, hello, hello. What's that about? And hi, I'm Jamie, the Worcestershire cabinet maker. No, I'm not. Beard hair's gone mad. And beautiful work through